Guys, Amaran is having a huge sale right now, guys. I just have to get straight into this video. The sale is, I think, between 15 and 50% off. Let's get straight into it. All right, guys, like I mentioned before, Amaran is having a big sale right now. I know you saw this video that I did recently where I did the T2C light, and the price I pay for both of those lights is the price I actually got for this, because I actually sent those back, got a refund, and got these lights. These are the PT4C lights, guys. Come on, these were $800, I think, 800 and something dollars. I'll put the price on the screen somewhere. But guys, I'm gonna leave the links down below for all the lights that they have on sale going on right now, guys. Trust me, you guys do not want to miss this one. Anyway, let me get straight into this, guys. This is actually the first time I'm going to be opening this. I literally just got from the store, guys. Literally came from the store, from the city. All right, so let me get my knife. So I'm just going to remove the tape like so. All right. Like I said, these are the 4-foot lights, guys. And yeah. Whoa, that's how that's how big this box is, guys. All right, so the box is out of the way, and this is the case that the PT4C comes in. The P is for pixel, guys. All right, so this is the double. All right, guys. So I'm going to open it up for you guys so you guys can actually see what's going on. So this is what is inside the case right now. Let's go from left to right. So to my left here, once I open this cable is for, right, this is a DMX cable, guys. This is a DMX cable, and it attaches via the USB-C right here, guys. So as you can see, this is a USB-C, and this is a DMX connection. For you professionals out there, this is not necessarily for me. Maybe I'll find use for it one day, but for me, no. I'm not going to more than likely use this right now because I'm going to use the Sidus Link app. Let's go further. Oh, God, this is amazing. So the thing I like about this light now, when you buy the double, you actually get these really nice stands, and they feel really good. It has the Amaran logo on there, and this is just a leg for the lights to go on. So I'll put this to the side for now. All right, so that is the stands. So let me open now. Oh, so these are just some paperwork for the talk about the Sidus Link and how to actually operate the light. I don't necessarily need that. So these now are the clips that actually goes on to the light itself. All right, these are the clips that goes on to the light itself, and I think these are magnet, if I'm not mistaken. Is my knife metal? Yeah, there you go. So these are actually magnetized, guys, as you can see, and the magnet feels very strong right there. So you can actually put this in any area, hang it up wherever you have any kind of metal, and it stays up there. So I'll demonstrate that in a little bit. Let's put this in. And guys, it comes with 2 per light. So you have 2 here and 2 here. All right. So I'll put this down right there. And now let's go to the right. Oh, these are nice. So this is actually like a small charging brick. This is definitely smaller than what I had before in the previous light or video that I did. This is so much smaller, guys, so much smaller. The USB connection, and you have, let me see here. I'll show you guys right here what it looks like. This is to charge your light. You have the USB connection right there, right? Okay, so we have that done. So now let's get into the main event. And these are the lights. Wow, this is big. Look at it, guys. This is big. You can see right there. So you have the 3/8 right here. Is it the 3/8? Yeah, I think it's the 3/8. If it's the 3/8, it's the quarter 20. You have one here. Oh, let me just take out the plastic. So you have one here, and you have one on this side right here, guys. All right, and like I mentioned before with the clips, all you have to do, oh, these magnets are strong. All you have to do, pretty much, the clip, and all you do is just kind of snap it on, just like that. And I like the fact that you can actually move it up and down. And I'm gonna put on the other one as well, just like that. So you have both clips now on the light. And like I mentioned before about the stands, so now if you want to get the stand on, yeah, I think these are the 3/8, guys. These are definitely the 3/8. The holes are the 3/8. I thought it was a 1/4-20. So now I can actually put these lights to stand just like that. All right, and like I mentioned before, guys, these are the 4-foot lights. All right, so let's pour it on for the first time. Let me take off the clips for now. Let's pour it on for the first time and see where we're at. So you're just gonna, the button is right there. See if there's any power. Looks like there is no power inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in and see, so I can get some power, so I can actually show you guys something. But these are pretty good, guys. Let me just take it out all the way out. And put on the other leg. Right. So there we have it, 2 lights, but I don't think there's any power in either of them. Yep, the power is not, there's no power inside there. So what I'll do is I'll move the case to the side for now. And I'm just gonna get out the 2 chargers and see. Let's see how long these cables are actually. Because the ones that I had before, they were really long. So let's see if these are long as well. The length is not too bad. It's not necessarily very long. Yeah, it's not very long. Let me see if it's about the same height as the light. No. So these are probably about 8 feet long, I'm assuming. This is just an assumption, guys. All right, so let me plug it in. So at least we can kind of see what's going on with the lights. So now, let's plug it in. And now let's try to turn it on. So that's interesting. So when I try to turn it on, guys, it actually said 100% on the light itself. So let me see if I need to press and hold. Because like I said, this is the first time I'm actually using it. So let me press and hold. So it definitely needs to be charged, guys. So let's make it charge. But in the meantime, what I'll do is I'll try to show you guys as much as I possibly can. So I'm not going to make this a long video because I really just want to tell you guys that the sale is going on. But in just using the light, I'm going to pour it on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to the app. I think that will be a lot easier, guys. So let's connect it to the app real quick. All right, so I'm going to go inside the scene. All right, so let me just connect. I'm going to say new fixture, and it found it. I'm going to say setup. Let's go through the setup process. All right, so it's setting up now, and everything is okay. So now I'm just going to go inside, and I'm going to go over. So we have, like I said, this has the same pretty much function like the light that I had before, the T2C. The T4C, the T2C, sorry. Pretty much the same function. I have I can increase the intensity up. I can bring it down. I can turn it off. Turn it back on. You have the different tungsten and daylight. And you have the different half-quarter CTB and so forth and so on, which was similar to what I had before. You have the color, and I can change the different colors here, which is pretty good. And one thing I noticed about this too, from what I've in the reviews, I said that the colors are a little bit more vibrant and also more accurate. All right, so I will definitely be testing those out and to see. But as you can see right here, it's a nice blue. Let's go over to effects, and it has the same effects. Like you have the party, you can see it right there. And then like I mentioned before, you have the pixel. So you can definitely see, let's see the rainbow, let's play that. So as you can see now, you can see that the light, let's kind of play that, and you can see I can increase, so you guys can actually see that, and I can increase the speed of how the light is going to be moving. I can slow it down, so you see it moves a lot slower, and I think that's pretty good. I can actually reverse how it goes, so I can go to different directions. So based on what it's saying here, you can have the pixels going up, and I can reverse it so it goes down. And like I mentioned before, you can decrease the speed, meaning you can increase or decrease the speed at how fast. This is the fastest it goes. As you can see how fast it's moving right there. And then I can go really slow. So it moves very slow. And it's pretty good. And you're not really seeing, the thing I like about this tool is that you're not really seeing the bulbs in the background, guys. So pretty good lights. I'll try to do that. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you'd like me to see, if you'd like to see me go through in a full detail of these lights right here. But guys, this video was really more about the sale. Please, guys, go and get, if you have before. If any of you guys have purchased from the video that I did before, you still have a chance to return and get the sale, because these were 50% off, like I mentioned before, because these were over $800 and they're now about $400 for both lights, guys, and these are the 4-foot. So guys, jump and get these lights right now if you can, guys. Guys, if you got any value from this video, smash that like button, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.